my dear students. I hope so. You all are doing well. So, dear students, we'll be learning English subject. We'll be learning new topic in English. Dear students, before we start, I wanted to ask you all one question. Are you all really helping your parents? Or you all are just sitting lazy at home? Yes, I hope so. Everybody are helping their parents, their grandparents, their elder ones, right? Yes. So students, today we'll be learning a lesson named The Helpful Girl. So dear students, this is a girl named Rima. What's her name? Her name is Rima, and Rima is very helpful girl. She used to help everybody, not only at home but whenever she used to go out, she used to help over there. She used to help her parents at home, her mother in her household work, not only her mother but also her daddy. She used to help her grandparents. So Rima was a very helpful girl. Then dear students, whenever Rima used to go to school, before she used to go to school, Rima was having a pet kitty. She was having a pet cat. Her name was Kitty, and she used to give her milk to drink, and then only she used to go to school. Not only at home she used to help her parents, but whenever she used to go to school, Rima used to help her friends. She used to give them pencil, eraser if they didn't bring it. Not only that, but she used to also help them in their classwork, homework. Dear students, are you all really helping your friends? Yes, so even like Rima, you all should always help your friends. You all should share your tiffin with them. You all should talk with your friends, okay? So dear students, Rima was a very helpful girl. She used to help everybody in the class. Then students, when Rima used to come home back from school, Rima used to help her mother in a household activity. She used to help her mother in cleaning the house. Are you all helping your mama? Yes, you all should never tell no to your mama. No, I will not do that. No, you all should tell yes, mama, I will do it. Right? Yes, I hope so. You all are doing it. Not only that, but dear students, Rima also used to help her dada. She used to help her father in his work. Then dear students, Rima, whenever she used to go in the park in the evening, even you all go to play in the park in evening? Yes, so Rima used to pick the small stones. She used to clean the park. She used to pick up the stones over there. If anybody has thrown the wrappers, she used to pick it up and throw it in the dustbin, as you all can see over here. Rima is cleaning the park. So dear students, even you all, whenever you all are going down to play in the ground, you all should always see to it that the ground is clean. You all should not eat the chocolates and throw the wrapper on the ground, but you all should throw it in the dustbin. Very good. Dear students, not only that, but when Rima used to go to the picnic, she used to take care of her friends. They used to play over there. She used to take care of them. Are you all taking care of your friends? When your friends fell down, they got hurt, are you all really taking care of them? Yes, you all should take care of your friends. Then dear students, whenever Rima used to go to shop, she used to go to shop with her mother. She used to not be like, no mama, I want that chocolate, I want that toy. No, she used to not do that. But Rima used to buy the things which are really necessary to her, which are really helpful to her. So dear students, even like Rima, even you all should not be stubborn. You all should not tell your mama, I want this, I want that. No, whatever you want it, whatever is really helpful to you all, that only thing you all should take. Whatever is really necessary, That only things you all should buy. Then, dear students, Rima used to prepare greeting cards to her friends. If her friends are celebrating birthday, she used to prepare them. Dear students, are you all really making greeting cards for your friends, or you all are just going on their birthday, visiting their birthday party? No, you all should always prepare greeting card, not only to your friends but also to your mama, dada. If they are celebrating their birthday, you all should always prepare greeting card to them. You all should write on that card, "Happy birthday, mummy. I love you. Happy birthday, daddy. I love you." In this way, you all should prepare the greeting card. So, dear students, this was the Rima, and she was the best girl in the school. She used to help her mother, she used to help her dada, she used to help friends in the school, she used to take care of her friends. So, dear students, even you all should be like Rima, okay? Even you all should be helpful like Rima. You all should never say no to anybody, but if elders are giving you all some work, you all should always do it. Even you all want to be best like Rima, right? Yes, so you all should always help others and be best like Rima. So, dear students, I hope so you all have understood this lesson, right? Yes. Thank you.